When a woman stops getting jealous, stops questioning, doesn't text first, seems unconcerned about your actions, or no longer asks about other women in your life, and accepts everything with an "it's okay" or "I'm not upset," just know that the last tear has dropped and she no longer cares what happens. A woman does not make noise when she's leaving you. She made noise before when she wanted to stay, but you didn't listen. When her silence speaks louder than her words, understand it's not because she's calm, it's because she's done. She's tired of fighting for someone who made her feel like she wasn't worth the effort. She gave her all, but when her peace became more valuable than her pain, she chose herself. And that's when you realize the quiet departure of a woman who once loved you fiercely. The brutal reality is, you didn't lose her when she walked away. You lost her the moment you started treating her like she was just an option who is not worth fighting for.